Hi everyone. Today's tutorial is going to show you how to access Forage and a bit of what Forage is and what it looks like. So you can find Forage on the JCC page. You can search it up on the home page. Just search up Forage and you should click the first link. After the first link, you should see a link to log on to Forage. So basically, you can use your Google account, or mine just auto goes in, but you set up with your JC account or any account for that matter if you want, and it will log you onto your Forage page. So what Forage is basically job simulations, and if you want to find out what an industry looks like before without actually going into it, Forage is a great place to go. So this is my homepage. I'm currently doing these simulations, but let's go to the home page and what that looks like while it loads. So you can click on the top here, explore, and you can find job simulations, career paths. So for this, you click here and you can pretty much click on any industry you want. If you're looking for any specific company, they have that too. And you go onto it, click whatever chooses your interest. So let's say let's work at Red Bull, for example. You click on it. Once you go into it, then you should see the layout of how the job simulation is. All the courses, or most of the courses that I found are free, and I self-paced, no grades, no assessment. Take it at your own time, just to get an idea of the industry. And this is a really good time space to do it. Thank you very much.